Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Geminis in the middle of the month, in the mid of October 2020, please. For my Geminis, please. Okay, one more shuffle. So at the back of the deck you have Eight of Cups and the Moon over here. Okay, so Geminis, I'm seeing that you have moved on from something which was not suiting you right. You have moved on because of some kind of secrets which might be on the other person's part, and you were disappointed with those things because the other person was always being secretive, always being, hiding things from you, and you were like, no, I cannot deal with this kind of a person who is hiding things from me. I want someone who is open just like me. So that is why I'm seeing that, you are like, you might be missing your person so much, but the truth is truth. So that is what you are seeing over here. I'm getting that, you have that feeling, that inner disappointment when you, it's like things are over from your side. um if I'm seeing your person as well, I'm seeing with the world and the death over here on your person's side. With the moon, it is looking like, they have hidden, they've hidden these things. They have hid these kind of things from you, so that, to just end this relationship, or this was something, was there something more in this thing? They might be involved with the third party over here. That is why they must be hiding things from you. They haven't told you whatever they were feeling. They didn't talk to you. They didn't speak about it to you, and that is what is coming up over here. That disappointment in you is still there. You are still feeling that kind of rejection. Okay, you are not able to cope up with that rejection. Emotionally you are distorted, emotionally you are feeling weak, emotionally you are like crying, like what happened, what the hell happened, I moved away because of this and this happened, this person didn't deserve to be with me, I gave this person a lot, but what about me, I had so much of feelings, this is you over here, Geminis, where you are like, I love this person, I gave my 100%, but what I got in, at in return, I got disappointments, I got secrets, which were revealed, and when I got to know what these actual secrets were, that is why you got a lot of disappointment, you got a lot of sadness in their part, and they sneaked away. It's like they are running towards not you. It's not they're running towards you. It's like they are running and they are like happy that they have gone away from you, and they are like, finally I'm relieved now. That is what I'm seeing. The energies are really not nice on their part, to be very honest, Geminis. The process is completed with this person. Okay, that is what I'm getting. No, either I really get it that, you have the cups over here, and this person has got the swords, the moon, all the secrets and everything, and you have got what, you have got love, love and love. What are you giving? You are sharing love, you are sharing the balance between you both. You were balancing the relationship, you are the one who was giving the 100% towards this relationship, you were the one who was like, you were disappointed after this relationship. What is happening with you? You, all you have is this love, love, and love. You are showering love, but not, this is not what is expected from the other end. That person has ended the things with the death. The process is over. I'm seeing it is, not, it's not a new beginning with the same person anymore. No. Hmm. This is like, with the king of knight of swords, it's like, you are the king and they are behaving like a knight. A knight does not stays at a situation, at a place, okay? And the king is always very mature. Knight is very immature. Knights are not there to stay for you. They are just, they come and they go. It's like a wind. They behave like a wind. They just pass you and you won't even know. And you have given feelings towards a person who was not mature, who was not feeling the same you were feeling for them, and that is what it is. Okay. So outcome, I'm seeing that they are, if you really want them to come back to you and to support you, so you are wrong in that way. They will come back, but not to support you, but to support themselves. They have answers for all your questions, and not to answer you, not to satisfy with you with those questions, but in fact to make you more pissed off with them. So they will fight for themselves. If you will ask them questions, they will fight. They will not accept any apology. They are not going to accept it. No, they will say that they are right whatever they had done. And you will be waiting for that apology to come towards you. It might not come, and if it comes also, they will not be sorry. It will not be an apology. It will be a thing that, what do we call, that it was not my mistake, it was all yours. You will be blamed at the end, and that is what you are waiting for. Are you, Geminis? You're waiting for an apology to come. It's really strange that Geminis are behaving like the water signs over here. Okay. So the advice for you over here, Gemini, Seven of Cups with the strength, it is like, start working, get up and show up and tell the world who you really are. So you were taken like an option, but it was you who has to choose people, choose among so many people, because you are Geminis, you are the air signs. You are not the ones who can be chosen. You choose people, okay? So just stand up and get up and dress up and show the world what you actually are. Where is your inner strength, Gemini? Just show it. Just stand up and show it to the world what you really are. You are a lioness inside a person's face. See how beautiful this card is. Half side is lion, so this is a lion or a lioness over here for ladies, and for ladies lioness, and for gents it's lion. So you are this, okay? This is your inner strength. This is your real face. You are doing what you want to do. You always do like that, so why not now, okay? So don't be that emotional fool. Just take those things back and just don't look back. Don't look at your past. It might not come back again, okay? So the past over here is done, because that is what I'm seeing, a cycle being completed with the end over here. So I'm not seeing this person is coming, might not come back in your life. If you want, if you really want, then it's up to you. At the end, the decision is all yours over here, Geminis. See how you felt as a two of cups. You felt that this person is your soulmate, and how that they thought it was just for them, it was just a play date to you, okay? So they never thought that very serious. Yes, they showed how romantic they are. They shower flowers, and they shower messages and mails, and love notes, whatever, like a Prince Charming does. But it was just a small time thing, okay? It was not for a long time, and that is why, see, you were waiting for them. It's like a no from their part. It's like a three of sports. They have taken this decision and they are ready to move on. It's you who are waiting for this thing, not they. Hmm. They are not waiting for it anymore. They have moved on already, Geminis. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.